Good morning, investors. This is Penny Stock Whispers here doing another stock chart video analysis, this time of BONZ, that's the Bonanza Goldfields Corporation. Our last trading day was Thursday, January 30th. We saw a previous close of 0.0017, and we closed up last at 0.0018. That's an increase of 5.88% on a volume of 20,607,932 shares. BONZ is looking really nice. I like all of our indicators here. They're all pointing up, looking quite bullish. So I want to go through and point those out to you. I do want to take a moment to notice the highs and lows of the day. We did see a low of 0.0013, and we saw a high of 0.002. We did open at 0.0016, so there was quite a lot of room for some serious gains today, but I think that's going to really open up a lot of possibilities into the future here. We did test that 0.002. I like that. That's really one of our biggest resistances right now, so to see us hitting that already and closing up pretty near to that is a strong indication that we're going to break out of that in the future here. So let's get going and looking at the stock charts here. Our 14-day RSI at 66.78. I like that. We're between the 70 and the 50 and still moving up, so that's very strong and bullish on the RSI. That 70 and 50 line is really a nice place to be hanging around. In between that, it's a lot of room to move up before we become a little too strong there, and then we still have a lot of room before we need to be worried about going down. So the RSI is in a nice place to be. You really want to keep an eye on it when it gets into that 70 and 50 region there. That's when it's most prime. Our daily charts here are looking fantastic as well. You can see the strong breakout we've been having. We had some serious resistance right around here at the 0.0014 as well as 0.0013. Both of those acted as support. Mainly that bottom one there, the 0.0013 acted as support throughout the last couple days here, and the 14 did act as resistance there for a while. We hit that a couple times in the beginning of the year, and a couple times most recently here. It acted as support again back in November and December. We played off of that a lot, so it's been a pretty crucial line that we've been holding on to for some months now. To see us breaking out of that and closing above it is very strong indeed. We do have our Bollinger Bands in gray here, and I like that we closed up right near that upper Bollinger Band there. That's going to put us into a really strong bullish breakout region here. I like that a lot. Our parabolic SAR, the gold dots below the candlesticks here, that's letting us know that this is, that is another bullish indicator as well, being underneath the candlesticks like that. Volume has been increased a lot in the last couple days here, which is a strong indication of accumulation. The accumulation chart below is actually going to show that as well. So volume's looking really good. Price movement's looking fantastic. And as far as resistance goes now, we do have a little bit right here at this 0.0018, as that was when we closed up yesterday, and it did also act as resistance back in October, middle of September as well. So breaking through that is going to be really the target of tomorrow, and later today, I should say, and of next week here. Breaking through that's going to be fantastic. That 0.002 is going to be the next line, and then after that, we got another one maybe up here at 0.0023. Otherwise, you're going to be looking pretty far into the past here, and we do have this 0.0027, which I'd love to see us break out of that, but that's quite a ways up there yet. So getting a little ahead of myself. Down here on the MACD, it's looking fantastic here. I do like this a lot. You can see that both of our indicators are pinched right up next to each other. The MACD line and the signal line itself are pinched really close with that center line, and it's really looking to break out. You can see a little bit of movement towards the upward portion of this chart here. I'd like to see that indicator, the MACD line itself, break above both of those simultaneously. That'd be a strong bullish indication, and with some strong buying like we've been seeing right here and some strong price movement, I don't think that's going to be a problem. Trix line looking fantastic. One of my favorite lines as always. It always seems to know when everything's going to start taking off here. The 15-day Trix crossed over the signal line back in the beginning of this January, beginning of 2014. Right when it reached right near its bottom, you can see if we put up a vertical line here, right when we crossed over our signal line is right around when we saw the near bottom of this chart here, and it was a good reversal time for our stock. We started moving back upwards again after that, as opposed to continuing to move down. So if you were able to catch that line, that would have been great. You could have gotten in nice and cheap, but if not, it's still a good sign that we're pointing up. We're diverging so fiercely on this chart here. That's showing a lot of strength in that direction, so I like that as well. Furthermore, if you're a longer-term trader, we did just break over that signal line on our 30-day Trix here, so you may not have missed the boat if you're more of a long-term trader. Both of these Trix lines are looking very nice. Slow stochastics looking good, broke over the signal line, and we're between that 1580. It's similar to the RSI, where that's just a really prime place to be. Even better, we are bouncing off of a nice move down here. We were above that 80, moved down to near that 50, crossed over that signal line just now, and we're on that upward move, so that's always good. CCI looking fantastic. It's at 292.32. We are coming down. We are a little bit overextended there, so that nice slow decline is something I like to see. Hopefully we can maintain that for a while yet, though. Stochastic RSI looking good. We are maxed out right now at that 1, and the 14-day moving average is moving up from that 0.5. I like this a lot. The moving average is a really great thing to look at on the stochastic RSI since it's so volatile. And that's really where I do most of my judging for this indicator anyway. And to see this moving upwards of that 0.5, maintaining that perfect region of 0.5 to 0.8, 80 to 50, that's just a really great place to be. I like that a lot. We are moving up, showing some strength there as well. Checking money flow looks fantastic. We really haven't been negative on this at all in the last reported months here that I've got pulled up on my chart here, so I like that a lot. To see this coming down just a little bit over the last couple months is perfectly all right with me. We were in a downtrend previously, so to see this starting to recover, we have this leveled out here. I would like to see this start moving back up again. If not, we do have a long way to go before we need to be concerned. The zero line is quite a ways away. The AVX line isn't too relative right now. We do have the it's at 19.07, and the positive DI is starting to move back down towards the negative DI. But like I said, it's not very relative, and we do still have a ways to go here. It still has time to react to the price movement that we've seen recently. So that's always good. Keep your eye on the AVX. The PVO looking good, very strong, 72.3, moving up, crossed over the signal line some time ago, and the zero line quite a bit before that. Looking good. Money flow index also very bullish, 94.5 on that. Accumulation, like I said earlier, the volume accumulation is looking really great on BONZ. It's been moving up consistently for some time now. We haven't really gone down at all since beginning of August. We started moving up again in September, and it's been just this constant move up since then. You can see it's just been a constant move up, and we've had some recent reawakening here where people have been accumulating even more. On-balance volume is reacting nicely with that as well, so keep your eyes on BONZ. It's a fantastic looking chart here. I do like it a lot, and I recommend that you take a look at it, put it on your watch list. If you have any more questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you'd like some more information on BONZ, I highly recommend you subscribe to our newsletter. You can find us over at here it is over here, pennystockwhispers.com. You can put your email right in this box right here. We'll send you all kinds of information about BONZ and some of our other great places you can find out more. And if you're on the go, you can download our Android app, Penny Stock Whispers. It's getting a lot of reviews. It's doing really well. It's a fantastic app. Highly recommend you get this. So, everybody, thank you guys for watching. It was kind of a lengthy video this time, but I thought it was worth it. BONZ looks fantastic. Everybody, have a great day tomorrow. Good luck in the markets, and have a fantastic weekend.